In the morning, we started from Chittorgarh towards the Kumbhalgarh fort. We had our breakfast at the hotel and started at about 9 am. The roads in Rajasthan are simply awesome and at the same time are very picturesque. The Kumbhalgarh fort is around 150 kilometers from Chittorgarh and takes around 4 hours to reach. Initially, the Kumbhalgarh fort was not in my plan, but later on I added it, and this decision was indeed a very good one. The Kumbhalgarh fort is situated on a hill, and the drive up the hill is a different sort of an experience. For the COVID-19 issue, tickets over the counter are discontinued. No cash will be accepted. You will have to scan the QR codes at the counter and buy your tickets online. This fort has an entry ticket of 35 rupees per head. Children below the age of 15 are absolutely free. So we have entered the Kumbhalgarh fort and this is the main entrance gate. So now we are going to go up to the top of the fort. Gogol and my little son Tintin and my wife has already started the climb. It's a very steep climb. There is the top of the fort. So we have come here from Chittorgarh and the last 30 minutes is a very tough drive from on top of the hills and the forest region, and it took us the maximum amount of time to reach the main gate of the Kumbhalgarh fort. Another problem that I faced at the fort while buying the tickets online is that except Airtel, no other telecom operator has signal in this area. So when you get there, remember to have an Airtel SIM with you, else you will have to wait for someone with an Airtel SIM and ask him to share his internet connection with you. This is one of the many gates before reaching to the main area of the fort complex. This fort has the record of having the longest wall after the Great Wall of China, and the wall length is 36 kilometers. Goal, is the climb tough?
A little bit.
Little bit, okay, good. So let's go up. Be careful, be careful. The climb to the top of the fort is a really tough climb. So it is advised that older people who have problems in their legs do it at a slower pace, or if it is not possible, then stay below just where the parking is and see the fort from the lower levels. While I was planning for my Udaipur and Chittorgarh trip, I completely missed this Kumbhalgarh fort. I feel grateful to one of my office colleagues who referred this Kumbhalgarh fort and mentioned it specially to visit. If I hadn't listened to him, I would have missed something very great thing to watch. I thank you, Bishru, for this. Thank you very much. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to get more travel videos in the future. A part of the wall can be seen from here. As we go up, the wall becomes even more clearer and we can very well see the entire length of the wall. The Kumbhalgarh fort has been built during the course of the 15th century by Rana Kumbha. So this is the Topkhana or the cannon house, and we have 4 cannons right here. In 2013, the Kumbhalgarh fort along with 5 other forts of Rajasthan was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. There are a few areas in the fort which feels frightening, like a horror movie set, and this is one of them. We are inside the Kumbha Palace, inside the fort complex. Let's get in and see what's in store for us. I would suggest you take a guide to understand more about the history of the fort. The Kumbhalgarh fort is illuminated after sunset. It is a wonderful view. We did not see this because we could not stay after sunset as we had to drive back to Udaipur. If you want to see the illuminated fort, then you can stay at any Kumbhalgarh hotel or resort. There are many hotels and resorts at this place. The Kumbhalgarh fort is the second largest fort in India after the Chittorgarh fort that we visited on day 3. The video link of our visit to the Chittorgarh fort is given in the I button and also in the description box below. The frontal walls of the Kumbhalgarh fort are 15 feet thick. Kumbhalgarh has 7 fortified gateways. There are over 360 temples within the fort, 300 of which are Jain and the rest Hindu. We have come to the topmost level of the Kumbhalgarh fort, and from here the view is awesome. The view of the mountain ranges simply mesmerize you. This is one of the riskiest spots in the fort. So here we have the fence or the wall of the fort, and after that there is a vertical drop. So it's not advisable to come here. Anyways, I'm taking note of my safety. The residential buildings and temples inside the fort are well preserved. The fort is also known to be the birthplace of Maharana Pratap. So this way is the birthplace of Maharana Pratap, and the stairs go to his birthplace. So let's go up. It is currently locked. So this is the birthplace of Maharana Pratap. After seeing the Kumbhalgarh fort, now it was time to return. But it was an awesome experience to be here and see the fort. If you like this video, then please click the like button. Also share this video with others who like to travel and explore new places. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more travel videos in the future. Also stay tuned for our second Rajasthan trip where we have visited more places in Rajasthan. It will surely be more exciting.